Hey guys, Steph the Illuminated Nerd. Today we're going to take a look at the capital legs that I've installed on my Ikea desk and to see how we can prevent the capital legs from sliding on top of the Alex drawers. I'll show you what method I used to fix that. Let's get right into it. And that's how I fixed the issue of the capital legs sliding on the Alex drawers. A lot of people asked how I did that or some help on how to do that in the comments of my IKEA desk hack video. So there you go. That should hopefully help you guys. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.